Hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to increase your video quality. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is just go ahead and press File, and then go over into your settings and then your video. And then from here, you can actually up the resolution of your video. This is going to help make the quality better. You can change your FPS value, and then you can also go over to your output, go to your recording, and then you can turn up your bit rate, all sorts of other stuff in here, just depending on what you need. And then as you see, there's a couple different things you do here: preset, lowest quality from fastest quality, and then pretty much everything that takes up more from your computer power is going to give you a higher quality. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.